What's up guys? It's the third day in Hong Kong and I didn't end the vlog yesterday because I was hanging out with my buddy from Hong Kong, having the Tesla experience. So today I'm going to head over and visit my grand auntie again before I leave tomorrow, and then before that I'm gonna go have some food, and then I will do some shopping after I visit my grand auntie. So stay tuned guys as I bring you guys along. What's up guys? So after dinner we are now headed to North Point, or in Cantonese it's called Pak Kok, to have the famous it's a kind of waffle. It's an egg waffle, but in Cantonese it's called Gai Dan Zai. So we are headed right there now. So stay tuned guys, show you the Gai Dan Zai in a bit. Okay, let's go. We are at Pak Kok, North Point. We're gonna have a famous Gai Dan Zai egg waffle, egglet waffle. Where the fuck is the exit? Left. So guys, we are walking to the egglet waffle at the North Point station, exit B1, and turn right. Go straight for 150 meters when you reach the place. There's this one guys, there's this one. Thank you. Look at this guys, freshly made, perfectly shaped, and listen to this, listen to this. Oh my god, such freshness, such awesome. This place guys, this place, remember this, turn right at North Point station, 150 meters, and it's at the corner facing International Christian Assembly at the opposite. Hi guys, Gai Dan Zai, waiting for my train to Causeway Bay. So see you guys at Causeway Bay then. Hi guys, so I've arrived at Causeway Bay, Tung Lo Wan, and we're gonna go for some shopping session. But first, gotta exit the train station, and this is an uphill walk. It's fucking tiring. No wonder all the honkies can really walk. It's fucking tiring guys. Guys, so we're buying gold because it's 999 pure gold, very nice. So I actually chose two, one bracelet and one necklace. Hey guys, any of you need a sex shop? There's a sex shop right up here. On top of this spicy crab shop. We have fresh seafood. This is a line, man. Hey guys, so buying some snacks. This is there's no English word for this. Well, if you translate into English, it's called 18 doggy noodles, 18 blocks doggy noodles. So yeah, but there's no dog meat, of course. It's illegal to eat and consume dog meat in even China now that they already ban it. But this is yeah, as I was saying, this is a platter of organs. So it's a takeaway. So I get back to my hotel. Let me open up everything and then I'll show you guys the food. So guys, this is the almond dessert, and then this is the organy platter thingy. It comes with a piece of radish as well right here. Yep. So that comes to the end. Oh yeah, I forgot. I bought some drinks as well. Beer, energy drink, soy milk, and this is a bottle of water. So the bottom section is the mini bar, so this is all mine. So I'm gonna finish all these beers tonight. So back to the food. Yep, this is the food, and that comes to the end of the night stroll to Temple Street. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow.